Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome to the TristArtist channel. For today I have a what I eat in a day video for you, and I think it would be nice to kind of film this video without having a plan, so it is truly what I eat in a day. This video is also part of the Healing Journey series on my channel. For you that don't know, I have an anxiety disorder that is connected to food as well. So I think that a healthy relationship with your food is very important. What I think is a good relationship with food for yourself is that you don't overthink what you are eating, but at the same time you try to make conscious decisions. Like, for example, personally, I eat mostly plant-based, so like 90%, I think. I don't eat any dairy because that is very connected with my anxiety disorder. When I eat dairy, I get very, very bad stomach aches. I'm very bloated and I get diarrhea. And my anxiety disorder is truly connected to that because I'm really scared to get a diarrhea attack, for example. And what I think is very important is that you don't restrict yourself 100%. I'm not saying I'm never going to eat meat again or fish or dairy or no, I'm never going to eat dairy, that's for sure. But I'm never going to fully say that I'm 100% a vegan eater or a plant-based eater, because I'm not. And I think that is important to me because I don't want to be over controlling what I eat. And yeah, I think it is good that I eat mostly plant-based, but if I sometimes want to eat sushi like 6 times a year, then that's okay. So if you are interested in this video, please give it a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe if you haven't already. That would really help me. I saw that a lot of people that watch my videos aren't subscribed, and it really helps me to grow my channel. So please do. Now let's make breakfast because I am really hungry. With eating a plant-based diet, it is very important to get enough of your vitamins, and I take magnesium, B12. This is very important also if you are not vegan or not a vegetarian, because a lot of people don't get enough B12, and vitamin D. I really need this for my mood swings as well. This really helps me, especially during the winter months. Something else that is really important to think about is iron. When you eat plant-based or when you are vegan, it is sometimes hard to get in all of those leafy greens. So it is important to get your iron in another way. I've tried supplements, but I got really sick when I took those. I felt really nauseous. So I skipped that and I started taking this. There is a lot of sugar in this, but it is very high in iron. So you take a little bit and you pour it into a glass and fill it up with water. For a healthy breakfast, I like to eat oats with fruit. Especially banana can't be missed. You can add almond milk or another plant-based milk, but I personally like to eat it with hot water. It is cheap and very quick. After stirring it, I like to add some cinnamon and some coconut flakes. I always try to practice gratefulness for my food. You can either pray and thank God for your food, or if you are not religious, just say thank you and be grateful for what you have. I've been mostly filming the unboxing video of my iPad, I'm not quite finished yet with setting it up, but I'm really hungry. It is 12 o'clock now. So I am taking a snack, and often it is a piece of dark chocolate with some hazelnuts, or a piece of fruit, or a sandwich, whatever. But today I'm going to eat a cookie. These are the Time Out Robuuste Koeken with chocolate. So they are kind of like chocolate chip cookies, and they are vegan. So if you live in the Netherlands, then this is definitely something you need to try. I'm sad to say that it has palm oil in it, and that is often something that is used with in vegan products, but it isn't very sustainable. So I don't buy this very often, but now and then I do, and it is so delicious. This is what they look like, and they are so good. And by the way, I only drink water, actually sometimes tea, but mostly just water. For lunch, I love to make this couscous salad. Pour some couscous in a little pan and add double the amount of boiled water. Put the lid on to steam it. Then I am putting my leafy greens in a big bowl. My favorite is arugula, but today I also added some spinach. After that, I am cutting up a quarter of a cucumber and 2 tomatoes to add to it as well. For some good fats and antioxidants, I am putting some black olives into the salad, plus they taste really good. I saved the most important ingredients for last. First of all, the vegan goat cheese. This makes the salad. When the couscous is steamed, you can pour it into the bowl and start creating your dressing. Of course, you can add olive oil, salt and pepper and be done, but the secret ingredient to my salad is definitely this Italian herb mix that has garlic and red pepper in it as well. This salad is one of my favorites ever. The cheese in it is so good, and it really fills me up for a while, so that is really nice, especially when you just want to eat fewer meals and stay full for longer. So I'm going to finish that and start editing this video, I guess. Bring a pan with water to a boil. Add the spaghetti or pasta to your liking and pour some olive oil into another pan. Cut up 1 big onion and add it to the pan. While this is cooking, cut up the mushrooms and add 2 cloves of garlic. After a bit, you can add the mushrooms to the mixture as well. Make sure to fry everything before you add the vegan bacon. Don't forget to check on your pasta now and then. To make a creamy sauce, add plant-based crème fraîche. This one is actually made of oats. How cool is that? After that, I added lots of parsley, some pepper and salt. Lastly, add the pasta to the mixture and stir really well. I like to top things off with vegan mozzarella cheese and some more parsley. Shall we do it at the same time?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready. Yes? 1, 2, 3.
I think the flavor is really good.
It's really fat.
Yeah. Not surprised, given that we put in 2
It's not
tips
my
of
favorite. Because I already don't like bacon, so why would I want to eat something that tastes like bacon? Well, does it? It doesn't really taste like bacon. But it kind of has that
It's like
smoky...
bacon-y, but it's not like bacon.
Mm-hmm.
I like it though.
You would make this again?
Yeah, I would.
For me, I like it when there is a lot of vegetables in a dish. And this is basically only onion, garlic, and mushrooms. So there's not, yeah, it's mostly carbs and fat, which I don't mind, but I just like having a lot of veggies in my food. So that was it for this video. I think I won't be eating a lot more because I will be going to the gym tonight, going to a Zumba lesson. Maybe I will eat something after Zumba. Often I get really hungry after I do a workout, but I won't be filming that because I will get to bed soon after Zumba. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!